Today, I would be discussing our project, A Home by the Park, which is across a plot area of 4,400 square feet, located right here in the Lakshmi Layout locality of Hubli in the state of Karnataka, India. My name is CK Chandrakant Gantigami from Foresight Architects, Bengaluru. Before I start, please note that you can download the full PDF ebook of this house with the detailed floor plans, photos, and fact file from buildofy.com. And the link is mentioned in the description below. Home by the Park is a home we designed for a well-traveled business family who love nature and have a keen interest in arts and craft. They challenge us to design a cozy home on a very linear site with a big community park in front. We had a linear site with a width of 40 feet and a depth of 110 feet. Approach to the site is from roads on east side and the west side as well. Our client intentionally chosen this site for his dream home as it overlooks the large community park in front. Design brief was to have a panoramic views from this home to the park. We started with the building code reviews and building setbacks to use for our design advantage. We created the large front garden of 20 feet by 30 feet by pushing the building line in addition to the front setback. The front garden with the Buddha court creates a serene and warmth to the family and guests. On the rear side, we established the rear garden of size 10 feet by 15 feet on the southwest corner of the site. Our clients can enjoy this landscape garden as an extended master bedroom, as the thick vegetation creates a privacy from its neighbors. After the front garden and the rear garden, we created the open to sky, the central rain court to ensure natural light to the deeper floor plates. We designed all the common spaces weaving towards this central rain court from both the levels of the home. From the dining area, through the rain court, one can get a sneak peek of this community park. Being in the rain court, you can get a glimpse of park in front. From foyer, you can experience both the park and the front garden. Once we reach out to the veranda, you can get these amazing panoramic views. The seamless view of the park is experienced through these layered common spaces that carefully crafted to perfection. The site had a slope of 3 feet from the west to east. As I told earlier, we created this front garden with a soil filling of 7 feet from the road to provide an uninterrupted views. Same time, we get the privacy from the road as well. The rear garden also a filled up soil on earth for Vastu reasons. We created a basement for indoor games, home theatre, car parking and other services. Both the upper floors overlooks the central rain court. MS pergolas over the double height rain court, which is open to sky, receives the natural light throughout the day. From the first floor family area, we can get the view of the park through this secured rain court. At upper level of the rain court, you can have a better connection to the park and also look down to the court below. Moving little forward from the rain court, you can get the mesmerizing top views of the tree foliages. At the northeast terrace, we can experience the breathtaking views of the landscape from home. Let us have the tour of the house with our walkthroughs of the home by the park. The main entrance to the house is through myriad steps adorned with plants, finally leading into a central rain court. Left of the main door is a guest living for guests and visitors. This space opens to a large private garden that seamlessly connects to the park in front. To make the family space cozy and airy, we chose to incorporate double height ceiling. Unlike most of the common living rooms, where audiovisual unit becomes the point of interest, at Home by the Park, we created the central raincoat as our focal point. Keeping in line with the family's love for nature, our design gave even a dining room a peek into a central raincoat. Adhering to Vastu, the kitchen is on the southeast corner of the site. As we go to the interiors, we have the breakfast counter and the minimal common kitchen. On the southwest corner of the house, the master bedroom overlooks the private rear garden. On the first floor, we have a second informal living. With the low seating, the first floor family space is completely private. From the family space, one can experience the nature brought in by the central raincoat, also see the top of the beautiful tree foliages. The play of the light onto the raincoat is a pleasant throughout the day and at all the seasons. A bridge runs between the west wing and the east wing of the first floor. You can see the 20 feet ceiling of the ground floor family room and the exterior of the double height raincoat on the left and right of the bridge. The bridge connects two children bedrooms located on west and east wings of the house. An elegant 4-poster bed adorns the west side of the bedroom. The east side bedroom overlooks the park and enjoys its panoramic views throughout the day. As we have shown, our designs do bring in nature into the house. Every space, right from the bedroom to the living areas, on all levels, overlook the private garden, raincoat, front garden and to the park itself. In case you have any design queries, post them in a comment section below. I would be happy to respond them as much as possible.